Today I'm going to show you how to take the Ender 5 Max stock hot end and swap it with the Creality HI hot end and merge them together to get this. And this is all you're going to need is some copper pipe, a pipe cutter, and the two hot ends that you're going to do the swap. First I'm going to start off by marking off 10 millimeters and then cutting the copper pipe to that length. And that's going to go inside of the heatsink of the Ender 5 Max heatsink. The next step is taking apart the two hot ends, starting with Ender 5 Max hot end, and remember you got to keep the heatsink, so try not to be too rough with it. It's going to just be 2 screws on the bottom, and then don't forget the one middle screw in the middle of the heatsink. At this point you take the copper tubing, you lather it up with the thermal paste, slide it on the nozzle, and then reattach to the bottom of the Ender 5 Max heatsink. And when you're putting these screws back on, make sure they're on nice and tight. You don't want any movement in the nozzle as it's printing. Once this part is done, put the sock back on and go attach it on the Ender 5 Max. And here it is printing on the Ender 5 Max. I did not adjust any of the Z offset, but keep in mind that every printer is different, and so you might have to do so. Thanks for watching, guys.